depends on my mood. Sometimes
Opo.
I go very simple,
Opo.
but sometimes I go like outrageous, like full, like layers, diamonds, and full, and like all around. But sometimes there are times that I just wear parang simple earrings, gold lang.
Opo.
But now, it depends on my mood talaga. But I
Opo.
really love jewelry.
Na-surprise mo ko talaga na parang si Tita Small, gusto din niya yung layering.
Which is so in right now,
Yes,
and
trendy
so
siya talaga.
Gen Z.
Oo, di ba?
And I don't want to look old because hindi na ako nagda-diamond masyado.
Feeling ko magte-trending ka niyan, Tita, kasi may pauso ka na naman ngayon. Welcome to the newest season of Jewel Unbox. Our guest for today is the ultimate social tita ng bayan. So siguro naman na-guess nyo na ngayon kung sino. Let's all welcome Tita Small Laude.
Hi, you know, I'm so happy to be here. I'm so happy to be part of Gina Jewels. And thank you for having
Tita.
me and for trusting me.
Opo, and of course, finally, Tita, we've been wanting you to be here for 1 year already.
Oh,
Yes,
really?
Tita.
Oh my gosh,
Opo,
okay.
talagang gustong-gusto. At aside from gusto natin si Tita Small for Gina Jewels, personally, I really love her and gustong-gusto ko talaga po kayong makita, Tita Small. Aside from, alam ko din that our audience right now is gusto kanila talaga makita. And they're happy to see you here.
I'm so happy to be here.
Apo. So ngayon, Tita, kaya ka rin po nandito and we're sitting here together. Gusto ko rin po talaga matuto pa more from you. Siyempre, you are known for the industry and sa buong bansa talaga, or even in the international, na talagang socialite ka. And how do you balance your life as a socialite and as a content creator? And what push you na to document your life?
Okay, what pushed me? I was just bored, you know, and then I started doing this, and I didn't know what I was doing. I have no idea what's YouTube. But you know what? Parang I have an idea, so I did it, and you know, I became so happy doing it. I enjoy doing it. And at first, you know naman, my family is
Yes.
like private, my husband's family.
Opo,
They're
yes.
so private, so I was so hesitant at first to do
Yes,
this.
yes.
Of course, masisermonan ako. But you know what? They started to like accept, and now they're so happy. And my kids were so like
Supportive of you.
supportive of me
Opo.
now, na before ayaw nila.
Opo.
And now they're enjoying.
Opo.
Okay.
Actually, Tita, ako din, I relate to that. Kasi sa family din namin, private din. Actually,
Oh.
when I did the live selling talaga, they're telling me na don't do it or don't go out, something like that. It's because, yun nga, yung private yung mga family. At the same time, sa Chinese, di ba, pag
Yes,
tayo, we can
Chinese,
relate
yeah.
to that. At the same time, now that I'm doing also, decided to do my Jewel Fairy vlog,
They like
parang
it na.
kailangan ko siyang talagang i-out na
Oo.
kasi ang talagang choice ko why I really wanted to do the Jewel Fairy na personal vlog is I want people to be inspired more and
Wow.
ma-motivate sila na parang from the things that I do, parang papaano siya naging Gina Jewels ngayon.
And you're born to sell. Like, ang galing mo
Yes.
mag-live selling. Oh my God, I saw it and ang galing.
Opo. So yun
Okay.
po, Tita. And at the same time, I want to know na while you're doing your content creation, ano yung pinaka na-enjoy mo sa lahat while you're doing
It's
it?
just, you know, basically about me and my family
Opo.
and our travels.
Opo.
Na-enjoy ko. And of course, yung mga, when we travel, yung the perks
Opo.
of may
Kain.
gabi, yeah. Kain. And,
Opo,
yeah,
opo.
we enjoyed it. Yeah.
Yes. As a fashionista, what are your go-to jewelries kapag ka lumalabas ka?
It depends on my mood. Sometimes
Opo.
I go very simple,
Opo.
but sometimes I go like outrageous, like full, like layers, diamonds, and full, and like all around. But sometimes there are times that I just wear parang simple earrings, gold lang.
Opo.
But now, it depends on my mood talaga. But I
Opo.
really love jewelry.
Oo nga, Tita, kasi sa vlog mo, napapanood ko talaga na you're wearing chunky pieces.
Chunky, I like it.
Actually, expected na with Tita Small, with you, parang more of diamonds ka.
Yeah.
That's why
Yes.
today, na-surprise mo ko talaga na parang si Tita Small, gusto din niya yung layering.
Which is so in right
Yes,
now and
trendy
so
siya talaga.
Gen Z.
Oo, diba?
And I don't want to look old because hindi na ako nagda-diamond masyado.
Opo,
Yeah.
yun talaga. Kasi parang nowadays talaga, even, especially that Aton, di ba?
Yes.
With Aton is the daughter of Tita Small.
Yes.
Yes, mahilig siya mag-layer. So,
Layers.
syempre, si Tita Small, kailangan din niyang makisabay
Yeah,
sa
and I said,
Gen Z
what's that?
ngayon."
Layering. Ang
Opo.
gulo. Now I start to love it and embrace it. Like, so I'm trying to layer also.
Yes, and I love that, Tita. Kasi yung earrings mo nga ngayon,
Now, look,
if
oh.
you see sa earrings
It's
ni
not
Tita
only
Small,
one
it's
piece.
not just one, it's two. So,
kinds of
feeling ko
earrings.
magte-trending ka niyan, Tita, kasi may pauso ka na naman ngayon.
Look guys, oh, it's so nice. Oh.
Actually, ngayon ko lang nakita, Tita, na meron po pwede pala na kahit na yung yung isang malaking earring, you can double it up.
Yeah,
Kasi
yeah.
normally, Tita, ang nakikita ko lang is dangling and then they
Yeah.
put the
The
studs.
studs.
But
yeah.
now, ang galing. Super.
Yeah.
Super.
So
Hindi,
nice,
seriously,
no?
na-happy
I like it.
ako.
I
Opo,
like it.
ang ganda.
Yeah.
Ang ganda, guys.
Yeah, look.
So, yeah.
So you have to buy more, not
Yes.
only one.
You have to buy more. That's from
Yeah.
Tita Small, ha? Meron na ba sa life mo that, for example, biglaan that kailangan pumunta ng palengke but you're wearing a piece? What is that particular piece na biglaan kailangan mong on the go and you're wearing it already?
When I go out, I should have an earring. You know,
Opo.
wearing earrings. Kasi nakakaganda yung earrings, ha?
Opo.
Parang, oh my gosh, pag wala ang plain mo,
Opo,
ay,
ang plain.
insecure ako, wala akong earrings. It
Opo.
makes you look beautiful.
Yes.
And also, depends on my mood. I want to go bongga, or I want to be simple, depends.
So if you're following Tita Small, you know talaga how she style yung kanyang fashion. Talagang from small to big pieces, si Tita Small yon. Hindi lang siya basta small. She can go big. So yun. But Tita, with that being said, do you also invest in jewelry?
Ever since. Because you know, growing up, my mom always used to buy diamonds. So, palaging, I grew up
Opo.
like diamonds.
Opo.
So, nahawa ko. You know,
Opo.
nag-rubbed in. And my
Yes.
ate is so mahilig with
Yes.
diamonds. Our family. And then I
Tita
married
Ate.
Philip. My mother-in-law is into diamonds also.
Opo.
So, yun. Talagang we invest.
I can relate so much to you kasi my mom also
Yeah, as you
very
said,
fond
yeah.
of diamonds talaga. That's why Gina Jewels, she's the Gina and I am
Oh,
Haina.
she's the Gina.
Yes. So the Gina Jewels was born because of her. We really wanted na yung even she's already passed away na parang she will pa rin talagang live on talaga
yeah.
po. So kasi very
sweet.
mahilig siya talaga, Tita. Like
Sa jewelries.
Opo, mahilig po talaga. Like, siguro si Mami natin. Ayan, si Mami ni Tita Small.
Yeah, sobrang
Opo,
hilig sa
sobrang
jewelry.
hilig. And same thing with my mom, na ganun din po Tita Small.
Yeah, whenever I visit her, talagang
Opo.
make sure siya na may earring siya. Kahit nasa
Opo,
bahay lang.
yes.
Sobrang hilig
Yes.
sa
Opo.
jewelry.
Opo. Yung sa family mo, Tita Small, nakikita ko kasi talaga sa vlog mo since pandemic time until now. Sabi mo nga po, lagi ko siyang napafollow talaga. Lahat ng mga nangyari sa life mo. Only now that hindi na masyado kasi nga super busy. But I will always find time to watch you.
Wow.
And syempre si Ate
you.
Lotlot.
Thank you.
So yun, nanonood ako talaga. Sa lahat ng nagagawa mo, Tita Small, what can you advise or what's the best advice do you think you can give to our audience or sa lahat ng fans mo at also sa mga lahat po ng mga followers po ng Gina Jewels? I
of
know
course.
that we will learn so much from you.
Of course, you know,
Opo.
life is too short.
Opo.
Embrace yourself, enjoy,
Yes.
do whatever you want that will make you
Yes.
happy.
Opo.
And be authentic.
Yes,
Yeah, that's
Opo.
very important.
Opo.
And just enjoy and be grateful for everything that you
Yes,
have. Be
exactly.
contented, be content with what you have, and don't compare yourself to others because there's always
Exactly.
someone who's better and lower
Opo.
than you, di ba?
Opo.
So just be grateful and be
Opo.
happy with your life.
Yes, kasi sa vlogs mo, tita, nakikita ko talaga na talaga ini-enjoy mo lang yung
Just
life
enjoy
mo.
the moment.
Opo, sabi nga nila, di ba? No
Bashing.
Yes, it's for fun.
So guys, kahit anong gawin ko, huwag nyo na i-bash.
Hindi, kasi marami din naman po, tita, talaga na nag-e-enjoy at
Nag-e-enjoy.
natututo sa lahat po ng mga ginagawa nyo. So, yan, tita, and I'm very happy.
Thank you so much,
Opo.
Hi, for having me, and I'm so
Yes,
happy to
tita.
be part of the family.
Of course, always say,
And
tita.
okay, and love your jewelry, and everything is so
Thank you.
reasonable price. Ayan, si Lot Lot, nakakuha na.
Nag-shopping na po.
Purchase na si Lot Lot, guys.
Po.
Dahil,
Yes.
it's all gold, 18K.
Yes, at feeling ko hindi lang si Ate Lotlot ang makakapag-shopping dito.
The glam team of Small Loudon.
Opo. So, yan, Tita Small, maraming
Thank you
salamat
so
po.
much.
Maraming salamat.
Oh my God, we're here in Olonga
Opo.
po, imagine.
Yes.
We're
Oo nga po,
here.
Tita. We're so thankful and grateful na bumiyahe ka pa talaga pumunta dito si Tita Small sa atin sa Gina Jewels flagship store para ma-visit ang inyong Jewel Fairy.
Yeah, of course. And, oh my God, ang galing. Sobra. And
yeah.
congratulations
Thank
for
you po, Tita.
everything. Oh, look how successful you are. Ang galing niyang mag-live selling.
Sasubaybay mo na ako, Tita.
Oh my God, sana kasing galing mo ako.
Itatago kita sa sa dummy account. Hindi nyo malalaman na si Tita Small yung minor
Basket, put in the basket, bye, bye.
Opo. So, yan po. Maraming
Okay.
salamat. I hope
So,
you
okay.
enjoyed our vlog with Tita Small. No bashing. This is just for fun.
Okay,
Thank you,
bye.
Tita.